And as Mike alluded to when he talked about that evolution and journey through metrics and the conversations that the agencies and industry had as proposals were put out there, is really a recognition that in order to have strong, mature quality management systems, you have to have, as an organization, a strong quality culture. If your quality culture is not weak or it has some cracks in it, it's kind of like a foundation with cracks. It itself is not strong. It can leak. You can have issues. You can have reoccurring issues that may ultimately cause delays in medicines, making them to patients who need them. But once you have that strong foundation on quality culture, the kind of hallmarks and the characteristics really that we typically see in companies that have that mature quality management approach and system is really a couple different folds and flavors. And we'll start with the fact that they obsess about continual improvement. They're never considering what they do good enough. They don't want to be in a position where a health authority is coming in for an inspection, because I'll be honest, we're never going to move away from a mindset or an approach where the agencies won't come and inspect, but they don't want to be caught where they didn't see an issue and that they weren't already proactively addressing it. Ideally, many of these companies, their goal is to make it through inspections without any kind of observations or notations from health authorities. But to get there, they have to be innovative and creative. They focus on being efficient, being agile and adaptable, but also keeping in mind being profitable. And part of that profitability actually looks at leveraging quality to lower their costs, figuring out a way to make a product with the same quality they've always been making it, but maybe just not have as much investment in terms of additional controls or pieces. And that last piece, and probably one of the hardest to achieve, is really this integrated business and quality objectives. And as we talk through quality management maturity models and progressions and what that may look like, you'll see that that's kind of that top tier piece. That's that difference between a company with an almost mature system and a truly mature standard setting system. They really don't talk about the business and quality separately. They're all in the same kind of conversation.